Hey, this is Allison from Computers.mom here to show you how to take a screenshot on an iPhone. Ever so often, there is an image on your screen you particularly like this one of my granddog on a camping trip, and you want to save it or share it with somebody, so you need to capture it with your phone. If you have an older phone, you're going to use the power button on the right-hand side and the home button at the bottom. If you have a newer phone that doesn't have a home button, you'll use the power button on the right edge and the volume up button on the left-hand edge. These steps should work on your phone if you've updated it since the fall of 2017, which I hope you have. First step, looking at the screen you want to capture, press the power and home buttons simultaneously or the power and volume up buttons if you have a newer phone. When you do that, the screen will flash white and you will see a little version of the screen appear down here on the bottom left. If you tap on that image of your screen, it gets bigger, and you have down here on the bottom a bunch of editing tools, which you can fool around with if you feel like it. But more importantly, on the bottom left, there's the Share button. From the Share menu, you can send the image as a message, as an email, post it to Instagram or Twitter, or you can even use AirDrop, Apple's wireless technology, to share it with other people who have AirDrop on their phones, or even to your own computer. Let's cancel this for now because there's one other option. The Done button up here allows you to delete the screenshot if you don't really want it, or save it to the Photos app. That's the same Photos app. If we go back to the home screen and into the Photos app, that will sync to iCloud if you have it set up that way. There's the little guy. Now I have him in the Photos app, and you see there's the Share button, so I can share from the Photos app or from the original screenshot exactly the same way. That's all there is to it. So here's a quick recap. First, navigate to the screen you want to capture. Then, on an older phone, if you have a home button, press the home button and the power button simultaneously. If you don't have a home button, press the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. That will capture the image. Then tap on the little screenshot image, and you have some options. Use the editing tools if you want to, or tap the Share button for options to send and print the image, or tap Done on the upper left to delete the image or save it to the Photos app. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video below and feel free to leave your comments and questions.